Hey guys, okay, welcome back to the channel guys, welcome back to another episode of Car DIY. For today's episode guys, okay, it's going to be a very simple one, okay, which is cleaning of the throttle body. Right, as you know, for my last few videos, okay, I actually took out the air box, and you know, I have actually a very clear view of how the throttle body looks like, and there is plenty of room to access to actually clean it. Right, so for those of you out there, okay, who are not as mechanically, experienced, right, you can actually check this out because you don't even have to take out the throttle body. It can be cleaned, okay, with the throttle body on the engine itself. Right, so for today's episode, we're going to show you how we do it. Right, so without further ado, I'm going to show you how it's done. Right, so let's go. Okay, so guys, okay, that's the end of the whole DIY. It actually took me just, I think barely less than an hour, okay, for the whole thing, right? And cleaning of the throttle body, okay, actually, you clear off the carbon and the dirt and all this, right? The airflow, everything will be, sui, Singaporeans we call it, it will be fabulous. Alright, so before, and one tip for you guys, okay, before we end this video, okay, while you're doing the flap, right, please be careful. There was one part, right, I was doing the flap, I was doing the flap and I was, I mean the flap opens like this. I was using my finger and I was spraying it, and then it actually caught back up and hit my fingernail. Right, so that's one thing you guys need to take note of, okay, if you are doing the DIY for this. Right, so guys, I hope you guys have enjoyed this one. If you like this, please remember to smash the like button, guys. Please subscribe and share it with anyone who has has a dirty throttle body. Right, I mean, if yours is not that dirty, right, I mean, if you clean it, you can see actually how much dirt and how dirty it is. Alright, so guys, stay safe, stay healthy, happy modding your car. Bye!